deep down inside, I'm seeing myself in Vegas like I'm either a Vegas showgirl and I'm just twirling and people are throwing dollar signs. For now, I'm still being a young grasshopper learning the way. It's a bit of nature and also a bit of nurture that kind of influenced me picking up smoking. It kind of went along with me as I grew because within the social spaces that I was in, people were smoking. The decision to unsmoke dawned on me a year ago. I just felt that I owed myself that to clean up my act, get back in tune with things that make me happy, things that are healthy habits as well. So I just started off with yoga, picking up yoga, then started doing research about pole, and then who knows what I'm going to do next. It's definitely a great skill to have, and I was actually quite surprised with how quickly I gravitated towards it. It's a nice way to build my own confidence as well, and to know that with each bad habit, I'm replacing with a new skill. So I think that's just how I'm trying to go through life at the moment, replacing the bad with the good.